and we need to talk to each other.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kalapan Jiingiarap na ka Sorkar Pdeng na ka Bynta ban Pynkhuid ki Katto Katne ki wa bar ki wa duat ki badan hanong ba shalong bar kumjo ki bai ki Bynta ki badan hapo ka Jylla haba ajing kren ha ka International Water Conclave ka ba hine ka sngi ha kot yat umentri rang ba ka Jylla ukon rat ki sang mau laong bandalor ka Jal Jeevan Mission na ka Bynta ki nong kendong ka Jylla ka lai kendu jing ha ka ba yadai bar ka jing pentuat ya ka ha ka nong ba Uloong baga Sorkar kelawan ra bante lakam ha Pdeng ke yok kakot jong ki brio kum jo banwan ra ka jing penek pensa ha kamariang ki wa duat badru ki wa
As mentioned by Dr. Shakil and also by our secretary, we all know that the kind of water issues that we're facing today, in the next 10 to 15 years, if necessary steps are not taken today, we'll be facing much more larger scale of problem, and more importantly, maybe too late for us to then start the work to mitigate those particular problems that we have. And hence, this particular water conclave. Today we are over 70%, almost touching 75%, and we expect that we should be able to cross 90% plus when it comes to the Jal Jeevan and the functional tap connections at the household level.